some soil?
Okay.
Now with that we'll be back. We'll get some soil. Soil from the ground. Have me too. I'm make sure there's no leaves.
No leaves, okay.
Make sure the sand's clean. I'm gonna put it right here so no sand falls out.
That looks like about now, right there?
Yeah, and he's gonna get his pot. Get your pot.
Oh, yeah.
He's gonna put some soil, leave some room for the seeds. You're gonna take a little bit. Take a little bit. And you're gonna put the sand back, don't worry. Like half. And I'm gonna go get the seeds, so I'll be right back. Got the seeds. These are how the seeds look. These are carrot seeds. They're very small, so you gotta put like a little pinch. Put it in there. Move it around. Get a little pinch. You might have to get a little more. We'll put a little more. A little bit more. Alright, good. Next, move it here so I can get more dirt. Then you're gonna get some more dirt. Just a little more to fill it up. Cover it. Cover the seeds. You're gonna put some sand on top. The sand doesn't have to be completely clean sand. It's just clean a little bit. And then I'm gonna get some more dirt to make sure it is good. He's gonna put some dirt in his. I just did. He needs a little bit. I'm gonna help him. Like a little bit. Make sure there's no sticks, and make sure you water your plants. Just don't water it too much, because if you water your plants too much, it could drown the plants and they could die. Okay, so now, after you do that, oh no, the sand. I'm gonna put it over here, and I'm gonna show you guys something, okay? So, I'll put this here for now. And look at all the seeds we're gonna grow later on next time. These are all of these. And you guys should comment down below which one you should do. Which one do you want to do next time?
Oh, this one looks pretty. Yeah, I want to do that one next.
Next time, I would like to do the peppers because their seeds are big. Next, we're going to water them. I'm going to put some water in this so they could grow because they really need water in the grow. So I'm going to put some water over it. And I'll come back to you guys in this floor. I'm going to put them over here on the floor. I'm going to go get the keys and put his. So I can get the water. So I'm getting the water. And you're going to need a lot because they're really small. And I'm going to put a little bit of that. That was a little too much.
Take a little bit out there.
Yeah, not too much. So we can hurt it. I'll put a little bit of this. Let it soak up. And that should be good. And look at these babies, guys. These are my pumpkin plants. I grow them by making sure I water it every day and make sure it's in soil and keeping it in good temperature, make sure it's in the sun. And if they're in the sun too long, they could die because they get too hot. So this is the pumpkin ones that look super pretty. And put them back down. Look at them, they're so pretty, aren't they? They're kind of difficult to grow because you want to make sure they're not done. Okay.
Yep, that's a very long time.
And be careful. Look at these plants and look at those pumpkins right here. They're growing. So pretty. That's how they look. So for starters, I'm gonna look for one that's growing if there is one. So they start off like this. Then they start to grow right here. And then a seed comes out just like this. See? This is a seed right here. Still there. Growing. So pretty. This is how they look when they first start. So weird. And this is how they look, guys. And come back. There might be a bee in here. Well, there was a bee. And bees help the plants grow because they get the pollen and the pollen goes everywhere on them.
And also ladybugs do too.
See these little bites right here? Those are from baby caterpillars. They've been biting them and eating them. That's what helps them grow. So help us look for some baby caterpillars. There's a lot. All over the place, or something could be there, under here. sometimes on these plants too. They're everywhere. Just everywhere. Okay, so me and Anthony, there's two. Oh guys, look, there's a little caterpillar. Oh, it's a big one, guys, look at it. You know, those are going to turn into butterflies, and butterflies also help them grow. So pretty, aren't they guys? I love them. Okay, so Anthony, do you like the caterpillars? Aren't they so cute? Yes. Okay guys, this is the end, so I'll see you guys next time. So before we leave, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on notifications, and make sure you guys, thank you for watching this video. Till then, bye.